Ebusunya John Dramani Mahama ada a nurse for no ebium. Meka chira will say believe in John Dramani Mahama and the NDC government at your own risks because the same thing odi from 2012 to 2016 by catch them went here. Me no work say nurse for your form last year my juma 12 good months in here. Last month John Dramani Mahama abane be da almost say omenya clearance afi don betu omo sika na mo no. Omo sika ne ba ya instead of 11 months no 1 month pay ne ba ye. Na no kra no nurses baba 300 wo no mo 1 month ni mpo no omo enye bi omo tire say John Dramani Mahama ada omo a tire say eyo mo yaye papa isan say omo enso ni say otisa ye catch omo moment here because omo seniors omo beto catch omo say akoya friend John Dramani Mahama yi ono de nurse ne teacher so de on pay asem eno ntira mo ntuma ba omia ena omo se teacher omo de omo so odenti omo tuma John Dramani Mahama fei ena ma je di say say ne ye kan say John Dramani Mahama anda ono 2012 to 2016 see how the nurse teachers no mo njindi afei de omo je di
us now every month pay 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 us now arrest pay us now arrest pay us now every month pay us now
pay us now.
Serve this country faithfully for a whole year without our salaries. For 12 long months, we've worked day and night in our hospitals, attending to emergencies for the sick and helping keep Ghana's health system alive. Yet, after a whole year of sacrifice, dedication, and hard work, the government of Ghana has rewarded us with only 1 month's salary. Yes, we mean 1 month out of 12 months. The saddest part is about 300 of our members did not receive even the 1 month salary, and their fate is not known since the extended financial clearance expires on 31st of December 2025. Even more troubling is the fact that a portion of our colleagues, over 7,000 nurses and midwives who began receiving their salaries in April 2025, have had all their arrears paid in full, whilst the rest of us, totaling 6,261, have been completely abandoned. Some of us were even validated to receive their full arrears in November, but surprisingly, we were paid just a single month's salary. This is deceptive, and this deceptive action gave us nothing but heartbreak and shattered hopes. What crime did we commit by serving Mother Ghana as health professionals? The Ministry of Health promised to release a press statement and to release a payment plan for our arrears by November after payment of the November salary. Today, it has been weeks of complete silence, no roadmap, no timeline, no communication. Instead, what we received is a misleading press release from the ministry claiming that they have paid us when the reality on grounds is just directly the opposite of what the ministry communicated. What we want for now and what we want Ghana to know. Our rent expired this month and many of us are facing eviction. We go to work on empty stomach, unable to afford basic meals, let alone balanced diet. We walk long distances to and from work because we cannot afford transportation. We are sinking in debt, borrowing just to survive. And the worst of it all is we are battling depression, disgrace, and psychological distress, doing full-time work with no pay. This is not just unfair, it is inhuman. This is not just a delay, it is betrayal. And this is not just a burden, it is a national crisis affecting the very foundation of Ghana's health system. How can a country claim to value healthcare when its own nurses and midwives are being starved, humiliated, and emotionally broken? We are here today to say enough is enough.
And what you know, and a koba so no, professional health a year student, almost school, and also a PMO Ministry of Finance. What you say? John Dramani Mahama, Bosch and I was sure doing campaign time no. And yeah, no, and I would this and say during campaign time, no catch you almost say 1 job, 3 shifts, all the 24-hour economy ever. I'm about to employ a lot of the youths. I'm money a jum aye. And I'm sure I've got to Abama, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Am I the Obega man peninia? Won't do a boost your full ADD mming. Now, Omodia, I fit Bakunia Obaye. A comrade so Diomwa. Go to Tifia almost no one say, and Omodin some etudia.
What is happening?
So we are here today. We are on our way to the finance ministry. If you see us here, we are School of Hygiene graduates. We are graduates from the 3 schools of hygiene. The school which is responsible for training environmental health and sanitation officers. Now, environmental health and sanitation officers are the health inspectors you see in your society, popularly referred to as tankers. Tankers, they are the ones who will come to your home, come to your communities, your stores, and tell you that what you are doing over here is a nuisance. You are creating a dirty environment which will be harmful to the public. So we have completed school out of the 3 schools of hygiene. And we are currently 5 badges at home from the 3 schools of hygiene. And we are less than 3,000. We have completed school for about half a decade now. And we haven't been posted. Over the years, we have been hearing people saying they are not seeing tankers people around anymore. But the truth is, it's not as if we are not there. We are there, but we are not plenty. When you go to a particular district or municipal assembly, the tankers people over there are just 5. A whole municipality. And the tankers people over there.
What are your demands?
So over here, we need postings. We need the government to give us work to do. Because the tankers job, we have been trained for it. This National Sanitation Day and everything you are saying is a good initiative. But without the environmental health officer or without the sanitation officer, it will be very difficult. You will waste a lot of money. So just employ us for us to work for Ghana. Just employ us and give us 6 months and come and see magic.
Okay. Now, I don't blame you people. Honestly speaking, I don't blame you because I'm doing so. But you see, I blame your parents. My parents or they go to school. I blame them because see, if they are my parents, wise enough, they would have told you, the government that is employing you, then I want to man now on me to You see, you people, you don't even reason up. A certain government I employ. Was my quack 12 year the one employ me no. Never the one employ me, one family, one employ me no. Me got 2 months no about between me car. One will be more Bank of Ghana. I couldn't go to your Ministry of Agric. Me busao. Uye Juma, our Bank of Ghana. Who could you acquit your Ministry of Agric? One will be there. You see, sometimes you people should be blamed for all this stuff because see, you knew very well say this government A employed me and the election was very near. The best thing I can bet my say you continue the person who employed you or bet me to because when they employ you, you will make sure they pay you. But he said no. You went ahead and voted for another government and then the employer no bad record when it comes to paying nurses and teachers in this country. You went ahead and voted for that same government, and today they are showing you their real colors. The real colors of the umbrella, the real colors of the NDC, and after and I'm did a dry Ghana for Asumu. Did we force you people to vote for the NDC? No. Did you people tell us you were going to vote for the NDC? No. And why are you people worrying us now? Why? Because the last time I'm a car and was you guys went as far as say Muko Bunku to Joko Pai, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Cho say on from born in Chamo, Samoto Abetiano in 2016 and 2020. That's what you guys did. So today, the same person Amoko Pana Choko Bunku to J, Ekoka Seren and some from born in Chamo, Samoto Abetiano, Waba, no Chamo Samo Jimia. You people are on the media disturbing our peace. Let me tell you something, Christmas is coming. We need peace to attend some shows. Ebono is also saying that on 25th. If we are saying we are planning stuff and we don't have to do our stuff. 24th, we are coping concerts. We want to plan our lives. We didn't send you people to vote for the NDC. So we are warning you people. You better keep quiet. You better keep quiet. Anyone who was employed under our government and still went ahead and voted against us, sending him to our car, you better keep quiet and shut up. Let me tell you. Ya so mo Jimmy ache. Ya so mo so ama mo Jimmy wo man ni mo ache. This time around there so so biom. Because you say mo no mo nya ma adwen say mo be ye de ehia. I'm telling you. We are not going to tolerate this thing from you guys anymore. We are fed up. Ya bremo. Ebusu ya Ghana Accept TV. Meeting. I'm just to any promise. I'm going to comment section in my like it. Who you so I share. Now watch the watching. Our comment section. And now still na who see Yesu. Munya hushi. Munya hushi why? Munya ehushi. Yesu Eyaza John Dramani Mahama aka Ibu Mahama aka John Bosco aka Mr. 41